At Duroair Technologies, we believe everyone deserves a clean and safe working environment. Introducing the world's first indoor air filtration system, DuroPure's patented 6-stage filtration system captures 99+% of airborne particulates, capturing hexavalent chromium, isocyanates, and VOCs generated during surface preparation, sanding, coating, and painting operations. The DuroPure arrives fully assembled and is constructed on wheels, allowing it to be mobile and deployed anywhere in a working space. The flexible unit is ready to be integrated into your workflow, and all you need to do is provide power. Turning the system on or off is simple and clear. The layout includes 3 buttons: a green on button, a red off button, and a variable speed adjustment dial, which is used to increase or decrease airspeed. Once activated, the DuroPure scrubs the air of particulates, including hexavalent chromium and isocyanates, and thoroughly cleans the air of VOC gases to allow the cleansed air to be recirculated back into the building, as per ANSI Z97. Since the air is recirculated and non-vented, no additional ducting or makeup air is required. This feature creates significant savings on capital and energy costs. This process returns pure, recycled air to your work environment. Air leaving the exhaust system surpasses all OSHA requirements. Our patented 6-stage filtration breaks down and cleanses harmful VOCs. The 3-stage particulate collection captures paint particulates, including hexavalent chromium and particulate isocyanates. The 3-stage gas filtration captures isocyanates in the gas stage and destroys VOCs with 2 stages of carbon absorption and 1 stage of UV photocatalytic oxidation technology. Filtration can be upgraded to meet a wide variety of requirements, such as NESHAP 319 or HEPA. We are a company that provides solutions, and therefore all units can be customized to specific processes. All units are shipped with 1 set of filters provided. The DuroPure system has a magnehelic gauge to indicate when filters need to be changed. The gauge has 3 identifiable zones to ensure in-use filters are functioning properly. The normal operating zone is green, and the magnehelic gauge would display 1 to 2 inches in the water column. The yellow zone is 2 to 2.5 inches. The final zone is red and would measure 2.5 to 3 inches. This zone requires a mandatory filter change, as the filters would be compromised. Production air is interlocked with fans, with fresh breathing air supplied into the enclosure. The control panel is pre-wired and contains an air solenoid for production air to monitor VOCs leaving the system and ensure rates are below OSHA requirements. Duroair uses the VOC C21 model. It is a solid-state gas monitor capable of sensing a variety of gases and vapors and is interlocked with the spray gun to stop the coating process should levels exceed OSHA standards. An optional LEL monitor is available if required and can be set to any range from 5% to 25%. Air interlocks are in place, meaning no spray air is available unless the exhaust fan is operational. Airflows at the paint stage have been designed to surpass the minimum 100 FPM at the intake filters. This keeps the conditions well below the 25% lower explosion limit. The control panel on the DuroPure unit is a lockable fused disconnect and is a UL listed panel. Contact Duroair to learn more.